Side hustles in 2025 are like New Year's resolutions. Everyone talks about starting one, but most never stick with it. And if you've ever Googled how to make extra money online, you've probably been ambushed by a barrage of sketchy ads promising thousands a month for minimal effort. Spoiler alert, if it sounds like a scam, it probably is. In this video, we're cutting through the noise. We're going over 5 side hustles that actually make money in 2025. No crypto hype, no just drop this course nonsense. Just proven, scalable income streams that people are using right now. We have plenty other side hustle examples that we will provide in another video if these are of interest to you guys. I've tried dozens, literally. The side hustle shift. Let's rewind. A few decades ago, side hustles meant mowing lawns, babysitting, or working nights at a diner. The idea was simple: trade time for money. But the internet changed everything. With platforms like YouTube, Etsy, Fiverr, and Substack, anyone with a laptop and a decent Wi-Fi connection could become a creator, seller, or service provider. Then came the pandemic. People lost jobs, rethought careers, and began turning hobbies into income. The term side hustle went from niche to necessary. In 2025, with AI tools making things more accessible and remote work creating flexibility, the side hustle scene is more alive than ever, if you pick smartly. Let's break down 5 that are working right now. Number 1, short-form content editing for creators. It's 2025. Everyone is a creator, or at least trying to be one, but most people hate editing. That's where you come in. With the explosion of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, creators need help grabbing attention fast. And businesses, they want in too. They just don't know how. Why it works. Attention spans are microscopic. The average viewer decides in under 3 seconds if they're going to keep watching. Editors who understand this are in demand. What you need: a phone or laptop, free software like CapCut, or paid tools like Adobe Premiere. But more than tools, you need taste. Know what works visually. Use trends, memes, hooks. How to start. Offer a few free edits to creators or small business owners to build your reel. Then pitch through DMS or freelance platforms. Many clients will pay $25 to $100 plus per short. Batch that across 5 to 10 clients. You've got real income. Bonus tip: as AI tools improve, your value comes from creativity, not just cutting clips. Learn how to tell a story in 30 seconds. Number 2, digital product creation. Imagine building something once and selling it forever. That's the power of digital products. Think templates, planners, spreadsheets, courses, or even well-written guides. Why it works. People love plug and play. They don't want to build a budget from scratch. They want a Google sheet that's already color-coded. They don't want to outline a workout. They want a printable plan. What you need: tools like Canva, Notion, or Excel. A little creativity, and insight into what problems people need solved. How to start. Think of your job, hobby, or area of expertise. What small but annoying problem do people face? Build a simple tool to solve it. Test it in a niche subreddit or Facebook group. Then sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Real example. People have made thousands selling digital planners for ADHD, budgeting templates for college students, or habit trackers for parents. Number 3, faceless YouTube channels. Let's not ignore the elephant in the room. You're watching one. In 2025, faceless YouTube is booming. You don't need to be charismatic. You need a strong voiceover, good visuals, and ideas people care about. Finance, fitness, storytelling, self-improvement. There's room in every niche. Why it works. Evergreen content gets long-term traffic. Videos from 2 years ago still bring in revenue today. What you need: scripts you can write or outsource, B-roll or animations, and editing software. You can even use AI tools for visuals now. How to start. Pick a niche you can research and write about endlessly. Upload consistently. Focus on titles and thumbnails. Expect slow growth, then compounding success. Note: CPMs, how much you earn per 1,000 views, are higher in niches like finance and business. Think about value, not just views. Number 4, service arbitrage. You're not good at graphic design? No problem. You don't need to be the expert. You just need to connect the dots. Service arbitrage means you find clients who need something, like logos, blog posts, or content calendars, and you outsource that work to vetted freelancers for less. You handle the communication and delivery. The margin is yours. Why it works? Small businesses don't want to search for freelancers. They want someone who can solve their problem. You become that someone. What you need, a sense of quality, clear communication, and the ability to manage timelines. How to start? Find a niche, say, realtors. Offer to manage their social media. You charge $500 a month. You pay your freelancer $250. You make $250 for being the middleman with high service. This is basically running an agency, but lean, and it scales. Number 5, local lead generation. This is the sleeper hit. Most people ignore it because it's not flashy, but it's consistent. You build small websites that rank on Google for local search terms, then rent those leads to businesses. It's like digital real estate. Why it works? Local businesses are terrible at SEO, but they need customers. If you can rank a site that sends them calls, they'll pay for it. What you need: basic web design, Wix or WordPress is fine, SEO skills, and a way to track leads, call forwarding or forms. How to start? Pick a niche like tree removal, carpet cleaning, or mobile car detailing. Build a 3-page site. Rank it. Call local businesses and say, I can send you 10 leads a month. Want a trial? If they convert, you've got monthly recurring revenue. Wrapping it up, build systems, not just side hustles. Most people don't fail because side hustles are hard. They fail because they treat them like hobbies. If you treat them like businesses from day one, the results are wildly different. You don't need to be an expert. You need to solve a real problem. Do that consistently and money follows. So, which of these speaks to you? Drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe for more real talk, not recycled fluff. Signing off. See you in the next one.